So guys, this is my first video for my YouTube account. As you can see, I do have a wasp nest. There's a little bit of water right here and right here. But, oh yeah, and I do have my brother back here. Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello. Hi. Whatever.
Basically our goal right now is to get 20 subscribers about and 20 likes.
No, he's about a million subscribers.
No, 20 likes and 20 subscribers for this video.
50 likes. At least 50 likes.
How's that gonna even be possible? Oh yeah, we can go 50 likes about and maybe 20 subscribers.
Show them the babies in the wasp nest also.
As you can see, yes, this white thing right here is a baby. I'm gonna take it out here.
And we are going to show you up close, if you would.
Come out, cameraman.
Oh, yeah,
Oh my god, that thing is huge.
Right there.
Oh god, I dropped it. There it is. Oh gosh, that's the baby.
It kind of looks like a pupa.
It's basically just a one. Oh no, it rolled down my hand. As you can see, that's one, but there's three. The other two are actually inside of it. Can't get them out. Will this thing move for us?
You need CPR. You need CPR.
They're gonna see if we can get it to move. Sorry if it's blurry, guys. Move. Move. Poking you in the butt. Move. Move. Oh gosh, my hand moved. No, stop. Okay, stop. Stop. Come on, little dude, move. Oh, come on, move. I don't know if I can get it in his hand, but he kind of just wiggled. I'm trying to wiggle him again.
You're squishing him.
Squish,
Mush.
Stop it! I'm trying to blow on it. But yeah, as you can tell, this is it. Oh gosh, too close. Back up. Yep, that's a little one.
Yeah, so
One of three. Yeah, my brother just says that all, but I don't know. If I can get all, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Or all the way. And show you the wasp hive. That white is another one that can stop. See that white? That's another one. The white is another one, and let's see here. So next to the white, if I can get a little bit closer. The one. Oh gosh.
I am a robot.
The one on top.
A robot.
The one on the very top of the screen has the one in it too. Look at it at an angle. You can kind of see some shine in it right there. Like one on the top, around the little white thing. Some shine in it. Oh no, there it is. Never mind, wrong one. As you can see, there's two more right there. Just a little somewhere around here. Yeah. I think I just don't get now because it's already zoomed in. No, I'm gonna hold him. Really? Okay, so, okay, stop.
I am a robot.
As you can see, we kind of like used water guns and pulled this out, but there was lots of wasps. Yeah. Okay,
I made an invention.
Definitely we don't need to know that. Okay, thank you. Please like, subscribe, smack that like button also. And thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.